filtered water is essential in our emergency preparedness plan. Most of us have water stored in containers like these and have even added special drops to kill the bacteria. Well done. But what if you had an alert from the city that your tap water was contaminated and you didn't want to dip into your emergency water supply? Or what if you had to bug out and your only water source was a stream or a river? What I'm about to show you will bring you great peace of mind because you can use this filtration system instantly. It's super compact and light enough for a child to carry. And whether you're using it straight at your sink or you're out in the wilderness, you can feel confident your water is safe to drink and free of viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, pesticides, and even hormones. That's right. Did you know that when people either ingest or throw out their medications, it all ends up downstream? And our city's water system is simply not equipped to filter that out. This is important to know. This is called the nanofiber fast flow filter by Water Pure Technologies. Using the same nanotechnology used by NASA in space exploration, this water filter purifier filters viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, pesticides, and yes, even hormones. This nano filter will replace all gravity filters on the market, including Berkey and AquaRain, with much better and faster results. The filter will last 2,000 to 3,000 gallons depending on the quality of water you put through the filter. And listen to this, it filters 12 to 15 gallons of water an hour. The outer wrap around the filter can also be washed to prolong the filter life. It's pretty amazing, right? Now this gravity filter kit we have for you includes one filter, 2 buckets with lids, and a spigot. Again, it can easily be stored in this compact box. We are even throwing in this free pre-filter strainer to help sift through any potentially large debris from outdoor water sources. I want to show you exactly how this works. You'll simply pour in your contaminated or unfiltered water, either directly or through this handy sifter. The water then collects inside, as you can see by this cross-section I've cut out. The water runs through this nanofiber filter, again filtering 12 to 15 gallons of water an hour. And then it's collected in this lower bucket, ready for consumption. Well, I'm about to show you something that will either make you squirm or really make you smile. I'm going to drink this water. Now it's time for me to drink this pure filtered water from this ugly, yucky mess we put in there. Look at the leaves and the dirt and the sediment. Remove the filter, and it's already started to filter out all this water. Yuck. Now coming down, here is the magic. Clean, beautiful water, as nature intended. Clean and delicious. Imagine the peace of mind you're going to have when you can drink water from any source immediately, no matter how contaminated it may be. There's a reason why water is #1 on every emergency preparedness list, so it's worth getting it right.